I want to also calculate the forecasted delay. I can also add a cart, and I wanna, what is my project delay on any data date? It's in the updates, it's the total float in my updates query. Total float. Again, that's by default. Power BI has to do some operations. So by default, they returned the sum, but I want the minimum, right? Because the minimum total float amount is the project delay in any project. And let's go to in schedule update. Of course, I need that decimal, but it shouldn't be the case. But let's say that's -7. So if the project end is -7, there is no other value that will be less than -7. -7 is the minimum total float amount in the project. So I want to refer to that amount, and it will represent my project delay. So that's the minimum. And I can also add a title, for example. Add a title and call it maybe delay or ahead. You remove the category label.